Hello there, it's Ali here from the Needle Rock Workshop. So Needle Rock is a small, thriving upholstery business on the west coast of Wales. So we operate out of a beautiful old stone barn, and we offer a full range of upholstery products, whether it's for domestic upholstery, commercial upholstery such as clubs, bars and restaurants, or even for the leisure industry. We do caravans, motorhomes and holiday lets. So just giving you a flavour today of what Needle Rock do. And this is one of the pieces we've designed and made in-house. This is for sale at the moment on our website. And we like to pride ourselves on bringing to the table something totally different that you can't get elsewhere. You can see we've got a fantastic rainforest design here on this chair. This is part of a set. We've got 2 chairs like this and also a 3-piece sofa. This is its buddy. On the bench just nearing completion, and you can see that on the outside back and the sides we've got this really sumptuous Designers Guild velvet in like a sage green colour. The bodywork has been done from our local car body shop, so this is really good. It's chip resistant and it should last for about 10 years. We, as I said, we create and design these unique pieces that you can find on our website, needlerock.co.uk furniture shop. We more recently launched a really fabulous range of cushions. This is an example here. Really soft and squidgy to the feel. So they feel good as well as looking great. And if you fancy a change of look, then hey presto, you turn it round and you've got a totally different option on the other side. We've also got some rectangle ones for sale. You can see all these cushions on the website at needlerock.co.uk cushion shop. And we do, as I said, we do all sorts of upholstery. So whether or not it's let me show you this one that's on the bench at the moment. This is an antique double-ended sofa. So we've got the springs in here, and this is going to look fabulous. This is a commission for a lady in the Lake District, and this is actually going to have a teal animal print on it. So this is going to be really quirky and really unique. And so if you have a piece you'd like to be given the Needle Rock touch to, please get in touch with us. So you can follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram. The website's needlerock.co.uk. You can contact me at ali@needlerock.co.uk. And with this being the first of the YouTube videos, we are also going to post on here every week. So if you like what you see and if you like what you hear, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So until the next time, from the Needle Rock Workshop, bye for now.